Hi, thank you for tuning in. My name is Decor. I wanted to create this video to show how I'm transforming my home that was built in 1912. I've owned this home now for about 8 years, and I'm finally to the point where I could actually start doing some cool things here. So I really wanted to document the process and just have something I can share and kind of look back at to wow, this is where it was and where it is now. So anywho, I hope you guys can stay tuned. I'm gonna walk through kind of the layout, some of the things I've already done, and then kind of what's upcoming. And I will document this along the way. Thanks. Okay, this was the old layout of the house in 1912. I'm just gonna kind of draw it out. So when I show you the video, you guys can kind of see, oh my gosh, there has been some movement work go around here. So it looked like a box in 1912. Then they decided to put a room. This is like a little chimney at one point in time. And this was the bathroom. I'll just put a toilet here. And they had carpet in this bathroom. And so I believe the door used to be here to go into the house. I imagine this part here was the living room, and then this part here was the kitchen. And then there was this bedroom here. Then along the way, they decided to go ahead and make this living room a master bedroom. This became the second bedroom. This is the kitchen, and then this is the bathroom. And then sometime along the way, I don't know if they had a permit for this, but anywho, they decided to do an extension. I'm imagining they had a permit, or if they even existed back then. But I'm not going to go into that part. So they decided to make this part the living room with beautiful shaggy carpet. And I believe Allison was her name who owned this, had lots of cats. So you can just imagine the situation going on here. And then the door to enter the house came here. So now you have, this is the door to the bedroom. You have two bedrooms off of the kitchen, and then people kind of enter this way. Well, I absolutely hate having the bedrooms off of the kitchen. So that was the first thing that I'm going to end up changing in this remodel. I made some updates to the bathroom, but I screwed up. I'll show you that in a second. So let's just scratch this layout now. The new layout, this section here is now going to become my master bathroom. Or I keep on saying master bathroom. Bedroom. With a bathroom and closet. So it's going to share the plumbing here. This actually kind of comes out a little bit further. Sorry. So I'm moving the entrance to the house here. So you walk up a deck and you actually enter here versus entering here. And this will take you into now the living room. I moved this bedroom door, which is actually my brother's room right now, here. So that way this is now sealed, and this wall was taken out. So now it's a little bit more open into the kitchen. I mean, it is kind of off the bathroom, but I'm willing to take that. And you enter into the room here, or you enter into the master bedroom here. Okay, so here's the action, the real stuff. So we enter in to what was before the bedroom. Hi, Vegeta. Anyhow, so here are the steps that goes into the loft. I am reinsulating up here because it was lath and plaster, and I want to put this chandelier, so needed to reroute some of the wiring. But anywho, so this used to be the bedroom, and now it's like open. I'll try to find some old pictures and put hopefully here. In there.
Creating a hole.
Are you excited? So now the door is here. The door that was in the kitchen into my brother's room is now here. Once again, please ignore the mess. So everything's kind of like moved here. Then this beautiful stairs now leads to my loft. So even though the living room is kind of smallest, it still feels very big because this is just kind of like an extension of the living room. So this is, I'm gonna make this super, super cute up here. I'll share some of the Pinterest ideas that I found, or that's given me lots of inspiration. Okay. Well, I think that's all I wanted to share today. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope that you guys will come back again when I post another video.